Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain you some hacks and shortcuts of percentages. Question number 1. If we are going to find 20% of 60, percent means out of 100. So how to solve this question is a common method. 20% will be written as 20 over 100. In place of we will write multiply sign and 60 will be as it is. We will simplify. 0 will be cancelled, 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and we will get 6 2s are 12. 12 is the answer of this question. Let's do question number 2. If we are going to find 8% of 50, so there is a hack of this question. 50%, if we will flip the values, like if we will write 8% of 50 in place of 8% of 50, if we will write 50% of 8, so that will be easy. So if we will flip the values, our answer will be same. We can write 8% of 50 as 50% of 8. Both answers will be same. So 50% of 8 is very easy, as you know what is the half of 8. 50% means half of the value. So 50% of 8 means half of 8. Half of 8 is 4. So 4 is the answer of this question. If we will use the common method of this question, the answer will be same. Like if we are going to find 8% means 800, 8 over 100 multiply by 50, and we will simplify. 5 2s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. So look at this, both answers are same. So this is a hack that you can use in these type of questions. Question number 3. If we are going to find 60% of 10, so just remember one thing, that 50% of any value and 10% of any value is very easy. We can easily find 10% or 50% of any value. So I told you, I explained you that how you can easily find the 50% of any value. And what's about the 10%? This is the question that find 60% of 10. So if we will flip the values, then it will be easy for us. Like if we will write 10% of 60, so how we can find 10% of 60? 10% of any value is very easy. So if you are going to find the 10% of any value, you will just divide that value with 10. You will get your answer. Like if I am going to find the 10% of 60, so I will divide 60 with 10. 10 6 is 66. So answer will be 6. So this is another hack that you can use in this type of question. Like if you are going to find 50% of any number or 10% of any number, and if 50 or 10 is involved in any question, you can easily flip them. Like you can easily flip with percent value, and then you can easily solve it. Next question number 4. 10% of 30. 10% of 30. 10% of 30, again the same method. 10% of 30 means that we can easily divide 30 with 10. So 30 will be divided with 10. 10 3 is 30. 3 will be your answer. You can also use that common method. There is no harm to use that method, but you should know that how to find the percentage with you can say with a shortcut or mentally. So it will save your time. Okay, next question. If I will write 30% of 50. 30% of 50, again 50 is involved in this question. So what I will do, I will flip the values 50% of 30, and I know what is the 50% of 30. 50% of 30 is 15. So there is one more you can say a hack to solve this question. We are asked to find 30% of 50. So first of all, you can find 10% of this value, and then you can multiply it with 3, because 30 is 3 times of 10. So this is also a shortcut of this question. I will first find 10% of 50, and 10% of 50 is 50 over 10, that is 5. And now 5 will be multiplied with 3, because 5 will be multiplied with 3 because 30 is 3 times of 10. So we will multiply 5 with 3 and we will get 15. So you can see our answer is same with both methods. So 5 is the 10% of 50, and if you will multiply it with 3, you will get 30% of 50. Okay. One more example. 25% of 80. 25% of 80. So as we know, 25% is 1/4 of any value, like fourth part of 80. So we can easily, if 25% of any value you have to find, then you can easily solve it, like it means 1/4 of 80. So you can simplify and look at this, 20 is the answer. So if 25% of any value will be asked in the question, you can easily just divide that number with 4 and you will get the answer. So these were some hacks and shortcuts that I explained you. I hope you like my video. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you.